In today's video, we're gonna see how to write paragraphs and how to display them on the browser. And we're gonna see also what is the difference between paragraphs tag and the BR tag that we have seen in the last video in terms of getting back to the line. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification button to receive more videos. So in the last video, we have seen the basic structure of an HTML document, which is this. Like we start always with this tag, doc type HTML, and then we have this tag HTML, and then the head. I just want to show you a quick tip here. We're gonna erase and delete all this, and we're gonna just like for VS Code, it simplifies the task a lot. Like we can just type here the exclamation mark like this, you see, and click on the tab button like this, and then we have all our structure ready, you see. So here in the head, VS Code has more information like these two lines of code, but just don't pay attention to that for the moment. Like as we have seen in the previous video, this is the line for encoding and this is the line for title, and VS Code has two more lines here. This is not something bad, but just don't pay attention to that for the moment, okay? So for the tag paragraph, to write a paragraph, we're gonna use the tag paragraph, which is this one. And P stands for paragraph. And you see, like here we have opened the tag, and the backslash here we have closed the tag. And inside this tag, we're gonna write our paragraph. So let's write, for example, I want to learn HTML so that I can build many websites in the future. Okay, so this is a paragraph. So let's go and open this this page in Google Chrome like this. So yeah, we have here, I want to learn HTML so that I can build many websites in the future. You see? So well, I can notice that the title is documents. We can go back and change it if you want to, like quickly to change it to paragraph. Listen. Okay. Let's go back to Google and see the outcome. Okay, so it is changed now. This is perfect. So you might be wondering why we have to write our text inside of our tag paragraph, because anyways, if we remove it like this, the outcome is the same. Like if we check on Google Chrome here and refresh, so the outcome is the same. Our paragraph is always displayed. The problem is that if we keep just writing our text and all what we want to display on the browser without following the HTML rules and implementing all tags, so after that the browser will get confused and it will not understand at all our text and what we want to get as an outcome, you see. So we have to follow these rules and implement the tags, like the paragraph tag, for example. So whenever we want to write a paragraph, we have to wrap our text between the paragraph tag like this, so that the browser understands that actually what is between these tags is a paragraph. Okay, so let's take more text. Let's look for something here on Google look for any topic. Like let's look for HTML Wikipedia just to grab some text. So here we are. We're gonna click here, and then we're gonna just copy paste the text. You see, we're gonna copy paste all this paragraph, okay? And we're gonna go back to our editor, remove all this, and replace it with this. Okay, so let's save all this and let's jump to Google Chrome and see what we have on the screen. And we're gonna refresh and see. So here we have, as you might have noticed, we have everything displayed in like there is no space between paragraphs. So all this for Google has considered all this to be one paragraph. But look at here on Wikipedia. So we have actually 4 paragraphs. Okay. So why does Google Chrome consider all this to be one paragraph, which is normal? Because we have wrapped our text. We have wrapped our text in only one paragraph tag. So in order for Google Chrome to understand that actually we have 4 paragraphs, we have to wrap each text inside the paragraph tag. So which means that here we're gonna have this and the closing tag here like this, and then we're gonna have another opening tag and closing tag here. Okay, and then we're gonna have another opening tag and the closing tag will be here, and then we're gonna have another opening tag and the closing tag will be here. So this way we have the 4 paragraphs separated. So let's go back to Google Chrome and see the results. Let's refresh. So here we are. We have 4 paragraphs as well. Okay. So now let's see the difference. Let's take, for example, let's say that this one, all this is only one paragraph. So we're gonna wrap it inside one paragraph tag. Okay, all this is only one paragraph. Let's see on Google what we have. Let's refresh this and see. So now Google considers to be as one paragraph. But the problem is that sometimes, and for visibility, we would like to make some space between this, the end of this, and the beginning of this. All right, so let's do that. We want to make some space, and it's like if we're gonna get back to the line, we don't want to have another paragraph, but we just want to get back to the line. Okay, so let's make everything in one line. So let's say that after finishing my script here, I just want to get back to the line and start writing this or displaying this in a new line. So all I have to do is to add the BR that we talked about in the previous video. Just add it here. Okay, and so Google will read the text from the beginning, and then when Google arrives here, it's gonna see this BR tag, and then understand that actually after this BR tag, it has to create a new line to start displaying the rest. Okay, so let's go to Google and refresh and see. So here Google has created a new line for us to display the rest of all this, which is wonderful. But you might have noticed that actually the space between here and here, so this space that we have here is maybe bigger than the space that we have here, which is normal, because here all what we have done is we have asked Google to create a new line. So when creating a new line, Google does not make a space between this sentence and this sentence, okay? But when creating a new paragraph, so we have this one as a first paragraph and this one as a second paragraph. So when creating a new paragraph, the browser makes more space than if we ask it just to get back to the line. Okay, so this is the difference between creating a new paragraph and just getting back to the line. So in both cases, we get back to the line, but with paragraphs, we have more space between sentences than with the BR tag. So I hope you liked this video and see you in the next video.